What happens after the order of discharge is granted? Have you ever wondered what happens after the order of discharge is granted in the probate process? This is a significant moment that marks the end of estate administration. Once this order is issued, it signals that the personal representative, like an executor or administrator, has completed all necessary tasks to manage and distribute the estate according to the will or state laws. Before reaching this point, several important steps must be taken. First, the personal representative must ensure that all assets of the estate are distributed to the beneficiaries. This means transferring property, paying off any debts, and distributing any remaining assets. It is essential that these actions align with the instructions in the will or follow state intestacy laws if there is no will. Next, the personal representative must obtain receipts from the beneficiaries. These receipts confirm that each beneficiary has received their share of the estate. This documentation is vital for the court to verify that all distributions were made correctly. After gathering these receipts, the personal representative files a petition for discharge with the court. This petition includes all necessary documentation showing that distributions have been completed and receipts collected. Once the order of discharge is granted, several things happen. First, the personal representative is released from any further liability regarding the estate. This means they no longer have to manage the estate or ensure that its assets are distributed. The estate is officially closed, allowing all parties involved to consider their roles in the probate process complete. Beneficiaries can now focus on managing their inherited assets without further involvement from the estate. Additionally, the order of discharge provides protection to the personal representative from claims by heirs or beneficiaries. This protection remains unless there is evidence of fraud or misrepresentation. This assurance helps confirm that the estate was managed fairly and in accordance with legal requirements. Understanding what happens after the order of discharge is important for anyone involved in estate planning. It highlights the need for proper estate planning to ensure assets are distributed as intended and that the probate process runs smoothly. It also emphasizes the legal protections available to personal representatives once they have fulfilled their duties and obtained a discharge. Beneficiaries should be aware of their rights and the steps taken to ensure they receive their rightful inheritance. In essence, the order of discharge is a key step in the probate process, marking the end of estate administration and providing legal closure for everyone involved.